This is the easy way to capture leads and build a list using Traffic Geyser's built-in professional squeeze page generator. Let me show you how it works. Well, the first thing you'll do is log into your Traffic Geyser account. Next, you'll go under the Tools menu and choose Lead Page Generator. You'll be greeted with a simple screen, and if you click on Generate New Page, within a couple of moments you will see all of our professionally designed templates. There are over 12 built into the system that you can pick from. They have been professionally designed by experts who know how to create lead page templates that are designed to convert. Now I'm going to pick this one right here. I call it the Traffic Geyser Squeeze template. The opt-in form is on the right hand side. So I just simply click Select and I give this a name. I'll call it Sample Page. Next, you'll be greeted step by step with some simple fill in the blanks boxes. We give you example text that you can use to give you some ideas on what to fill in. So help is built in every step of the way. I'm going to just choose this title bar text. And if we want to, we can pick a special banner image to actually put inside here. If you had a special banner graphic, let's say for example you had something like this, you could either professionally design it or you can just skip it. Now the banner header text is what will appear at the top of the page. Again, we give you some sample copy to give you an idea of what can work. For this, I'll just leave the example, which is create lead generating web pages in less than 5 minutes. And then there's some subtitle text. In this case, I'll have no HTML or web programming experience required. Just fill in a form. And we give you some other ideas here. For a headline, this will display across the top of the page. Again, I'm going to maybe leave something. So let's say, for example, for my headline, I'll say Traffic Geysers built-in lead page generator will automatically make a website that's designed to capture names for you in less than 5 minutes. Traffic Geyser hosts everything free of charge, gives you over 12 professionally designed templates, and will automatically follow up with your customers. Okay. Or with your leads, we'll say. There we go. Okay, now for the video, this is really cool. You can choose to either embed code from any website. So you could go to, let's say, YouTube, and you could actually capture their embed code here and paste it in. But there's something even better than that. You can actually just take the URL. In this case, we'll copy it and go back here. And if I select Custom Player for YouTube videos, what you're going to see, which is really cool, is when you paste your URL into this little box and check this box here, what's going to happen is we will use our player automatically. And what's awesome about this is it will not display that YouTube advertising or their web bug that you always see whenever there's a video playing. So you know how it normally shows the graphic in the bottom right hand corner, and as soon as the video is playing it'll put up advertising for other YouTube videos. We don't display that. Now the other thing that can happen here is there's a link that appears on the bottom of your screen here. If you've uploaded your video in high quality format, the YouTube player will choose and actually display the high quality video. So that's something you'd look at when you'd select the video here. So it's really a nice feature. So going back over here, I'm going to click this option to force YouTube high quality playback. The bottom line is YouTube is hosting your video. You're not going to have to deal with their player or have their advertising on your display. Now we allow you to capture custom fields. Now the default, and what you should probably stick with, is nothing more than email. We've found that through lots of testing that if you add more than email to a form, your opt-ins will decrease. However, in some instances, let's say if you're doing a local business, you're going to want the name and a phone field. And you can also change the copy. We can say daytime phone, for example, here. And you can also capture birth date, and if you want, you can put what's known as a CAPTCHA verification system on the lead page. That way you know that your information isn't going to be, or your forms aren't going to be visited by bots, and you won't get spammed. Another just a great feature to add. Again, I'll leave that off for right now. Now, lead notifications is really slick. You can add an autoresponder email address. So you could subscribe to any autoresponder. We usually use Amember for the one that we use most of the time just because it works really well, but it will work with One Shopping Cart, GetResponse, and all the others. You can also notify up to 5 email addresses when you get a lead. That way, if there's someone on your team that you want to follow up immediately as a lead comes in, they will get a notification. Now you don't see it on this screen right now, but we have recently just added SMS updates. So if you have someone on your team that you want to immediately receive leads, literally within 2 seconds after they come in, you can have up to 5 mobile phones get notified. Now the next screen is the thank you page. This too is very, very cool. Because what you can do is you can decide that you want to send a thank you email message to whoever signs up. So you can say, you can put your name here and the email address. And I can say thank you for signing up. Okay, and all these are form variables. So you could say, hi, name, thank you for visiting your website and sending your information to us. Okay, you know, and basically you can say, to get your free trial, go here. If you have any questions, please contact us at whatever email address you have. I could just put ours in here, like so. And there's our phone number. There we go. And you'll see, again, we've filled in all the blanks for you, so you don't have to think about it. Now, the thank you page is also pretty exciting. You can either just redirect someone to an address. So if you were, let's say, doing some affiliate marketing, you could just paste in the affiliate URL right here. Okay? And then it would be sent there. Or if you had a special page or maybe a video you were going to send folks to, that would be great. Or you can actually build an entire page from scratch. Okay, so again, using the WYSIWYG editor, you can just fill in the blanks, and you can actually put their name in here. So you could put, here's your free video, comma. Okay, so all I want to do is just take that name and put it in here. Okay, so your bonus gift has been sent to you. Fantastic. Okay, and I'm going to save this. Here you can see our title, our subtitle. Here's our headline. In a matter of moments, our video will begin playing. And here's our video.
Business needs ranking, traffic.
And it automatically started playing. That's our player at work. So you can see there's no branding here. There isn't any YouTube information that's being displayed. And if we enter our name, so I can fill in the blank down here, I'll just put in my name. And I'll say, type in an email address and maybe put in a phone number. When I click on give me my free trial, what's going to happen? Well, here's our thank you page that we created. Okay, you recall that we actually chose a thank you page. And here you can see it actually put my name in the page as well. So all that was done automatically. And of course we can go back, and if we wanted to, we could instantly edit any of this information. That's the entire process of building a lead page. You can see that you could literally do it in less than 5 minutes and create very nice looking professional pages.